Hello everyone, my name is Solanyo Somsi, student number 6X090590. I am majoring in small farming faculties of logistics. Today I will read reading progress 08 The Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert covers most of the North of America and is the largest hot desert in the world. At more than 9 million square kilometers, it occupies approximately 30% of the African continent and is roughly the same size as China or the United States of America. There are two larger deserts on the Earth, but they are the cold deserts at the North and South Poles. The Sahara is one of the hottest places on Earth with average temperatures of 30 degrees. Temperatures above 50 degrees are not uncommon during the hottest time of the year. Although in the winter months, temperatures may drop below freezing. As well as being hot, the desert is extremely dry and windy. The region experiences only about 3 inches of rain annually, but this is irregular and it varies from place to place. When the dust fire winds blow across the desert, it seems even hotter and drier. The Sahara covers parts of several African countries and has a varied geographical makeup. Many of the land formations has been shaped over time by wind, which is constantly altering the landscape. About 25% of the region is formed by shifting and hills, and because of this, the Sahara is sometimes called the Sea of Sand. In addition, there are high fat zone regions, dry fat areas, salt lake, and several high mountain ranges. There is only one permanent river running through the desert. The Nile River starts in Central Africa and flows to the Mediterranean Sea. The Nile is the largest river in the world and flows for 6,695 kilometers from the south to the sea. Along its banks, there are small towns and cities. The only other water found in the desert is underground and where it reaches the surface. The land is fertile and small settlements called oases are found. Only about 4 million people live in the Sahara Desert and most of them are nomads. That means they do not live in one place. Instead, they travel from place to place with their animals, sheep and goats, using camel for transportation, searching for better living conditions. The hot dry climate of the Sahara is relatively recent on the evolutionary scale. 5,000 years ago, much of the region had adequate rainfall and plant life. Subsequently, the Sahara Desert is increasing in area as the effects of global warming increase. Thank you for your watching and listening.